Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Rumble? This is ticker RUM. Now, Rumble is a stock we look at every now and again over at our sister service, Crypto Market Mentor, because Rumble is one of those companies that has Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Now, it's not their entire company. Obviously, they are a video platform, but I think it's interesting that we're seeing a lot of companies like Rumble just buy Bitcoin with their cash. And I think if we continue to see Bitcoin go up like we're seeing right now, companies like Rumble and public companies that have Bitcoin on their balance sheet could benefit greatly because ultimately they're making money not just from their initial business, but also because of the appreciation of the Bitcoin on their balance sheet. So if Bitcoin continues to go, I think Rumble has an opportunity to break out of some consolidation that it's in right now. And just quickly, we have a bit of a downward sloping trend line here on Rumble. Clear resistance right there, and right there, and clear support near term just under the 50-day moving average. Longer term support is down near the 200-day moving average. You can see how that line has been a bit of a battleground for the bulls and bears. Bears unable to get it under the 200-day moving average for very long. Bulls bring it back up. So longer term support down near the 200-day moving average. Near term support in and around the 50-day moving average. Now, what I want to see from Rumble is a breakout of this pattern, a break above that downward sloping trend line, and a move above this recent high at around 980. So I would have an alert on Rumble at 980 and look to see if this stock can get above that level, hold above that level, and do it on volume. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful, and I'll see you next time.